Our world is changing. We are surrounded by smart devices. Phones recognize our faces. Cars can now drive themselves. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of artificial intelligence. AI is weaving its way into the fabric of our lives. From the apps we use to the medicine we receive, AI is making its mark. Let's embark on a journey to understand this transformative force. AI is no longer a distant dream, it's here, and it's changing how we live, work, and play. Imagine a world where machines can understand us, they can learn from us. This is the promise of AI. What exactly is AI? It's the ability of a machine to think like a human. It can learn from experience. AI can solve problems. It can even understand language. Machines can now perceive their environment. They can make decisions based on what they sense. This is possible through complex algorithms and data processing. AI systems learn from massive amounts of data. This allows them to recognize patterns. AI can then use these patterns to make predictions and decisions. The more data it processes, the smarter it becomes. The dream of AI is not new. Visionaries like Alan Turing laid the groundwork for this field. Turing, a British mathematician, explored the idea of machines that could think. He developed a test to see if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior. John McCarthy, an American computer scientist, coined the term artificial intelligence. He organized the Dartmouth Workshop in 1956, considered the birthplace of AI as a field of study. These pioneers paved the way for the incredible advancements we see today. Not all AI is created equal. There are different levels of AI sophistication. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed for specific tasks. Think of a chess-playing program or a virtual assistant. These systems excel in their designated areas but lack general intelligence. General AI or strong AI aims to create machines with human-like intelligence. This level of AI remains largely theoretical, we haven't achieved it yet. Then there's superintelligent AI. This is a hypothetical form of AI that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect. It's a concept often explored in science fiction. The future of AI holds immense possibilities, from solving complex global challenges to transforming industries in ways we can only imagine.